My project is Weather and Traffic Accident Analysis in Vancouver and exploring data-driven insights for urban safety improvement. In these presentations, it will include introductions to weather and traffic accident analysis in Vancouver, data source and analytics tools, data cleaning and preparations, EDA, visualizing key trends in weather and traffic accidents, train test speech and ML modeling, insights and conclusion from the analysis. Introductions to weather and traffic accident analysis in Vancouver. The impact of the weather on traffic is important. It will affect the traffic accidents in the urban area. Therefore, it is important for the road safety, and the role of the open data analysis will try to find the details patterns in the Vancouver. The objective of the analysis is identify weather pattern, evaluate the data patterns, and build the perspective models. Overview of the Vancouver's traffic and weather context. The variables weather impacts. The most affecting factors are the temperature and the rainfalls. We try to understand how weather conditions impact the traffic patterns, help improve safety and flow management in Vancouver. Data source and analytic tools. We use two open data sources. One is the City of Vancouver Statistic Plan dashboard. It will include the traffic accident data. The other one is WeatherStack.ca. It includes aggregated data from the Environment and Climate Change Canada, and it will include the rainfall and temperature statistics. We use the Google Colab, Python Pandas, Matplotlib, and Bokeh to do the data analysis, cleaning, and visualization. Data cleaning and preparation. First, we have to load the data and then handle the missing value. We name the columns and serialize the columns in both datasets. For example, the date. Then we will filter the data. For example, we only use the data in 2024 and 2025. EDA. After the data preparations, we merge the data. For example, the weather data and the traffic accident data by their date, and do the grouping, nice group by the rainfall and the temperature, so that we can make the features and target group. After the EDA, we generate the summary statistic to have a key insight into the data variables such as accident count, temperature, and perceptions. And then we can have a look for the data characteristics insight. Visualizing key trends in weather and traffic accidents. We created the bar chart to show the accident count related to the temperature. Then we use the bookcase for the interactive visualization to have a look of the rainfall and accidents relationship. Train test speed and ML modeling. After the visualizations, we build ML models by the random forest classifier. Before that, we split the data as the training datasets and the test datasets, using the classifier to train the data model. After that, we use the same model for the testing, and we have a look of the result. We use the accuracy, precision, and recourse matrix to have a look of the predictions. Insight and conclusion from the analysis. It is found that the temperature have a strong correlationship with the traffic accidents. Relatively, it is low correlations between the rainfalls and the traffic accident. Key finding from the model interpretations, it helped refine the weather impact on the accident and what actionable insights for the road safety improvement. For example, we can use the insights to target safety interventions to improve public safety. Also, we can expand the research scope to include more diverse data sources for comprehensive urban safety analysis. Also, we can use the model to predict the further accidents in the future. Conclusion: the study combined open data and data science tools allows detailed analysis of traffic accidents influenced by weather conditions. The study also points out how weather factors affect the frequency of traffic accidents in Vancouver. The insights from the analysis supports enhanced safety measures and more informed urban traffic planning decisions.